have a lot of fun on our show, but I'd like to get serious for a moment while we honor our people.
Oh, bless that sandwich.
The power's out. Lucky we have our luminous suits.
I don't need a fancy luminous suit. I can see just fine. Oh, Ernie, I didn't see you coming. If only I had a luminous suit. Oh, what a twisted web the fates have woven.
I know who's behind this blackout. Let me guess. Martians? Pot people? Inspector 34? Don't be ridiculous. Pot people have better things to do than monkey with the lights. I'm talking Eggman here.
I agree with Styx, which actually isn't the most comforting feeling in the world. To Eggman's lair!
Hey, I'm a doorbell for a reason, you know.
The power's out.
In that case, just smash away.
Why'd you turn off the juice?
Hello? I make my living with robots. I can't seize power unless I have power to power them.
We, however, are still on full charge, thanks to our incredibly long battery life.
That's only because your brains use so little power. Whoa, up top. Oh, sure, you leave a dude hanging, but you call me the villain.
Eggman makes a good point.
Fine.
No, I meant it's not his MO to shut off the AC.
So little brain power! I disguised! Ha ha!
At this rate, those batteries should last another decade.
You want to tell us what's going on?
Nothing's going on. It's just an expected blackout. On the plus side, that crisis alarm that's been sounding for days has finally stopped.
This bureaucrat is lying. He's spinning yarn, talking tripe, telling porkies.
Styx is right. Geez, this is the second time I'm agreeing with her. Should I see a doctor?
Fine. It's not a routine blackout. Our village is powered by an ancient crystal. Or at least it was. I'll show you. In hindsight, I probably shouldn't have put the town power supply crystal behind a secret door that can only be opened with electricity. The Meroki crystal. It has been passed down from Maya generation to Maya generation. But now, its electrical capabilities appear to be drained.
So, how do we power it up again?
Take this map and find a new crystal. I don't want to go down in history as the mayor who presided over the crystal when it broke.
We're on it. Say no more.
I have nothing more to say.
Dear Zoe, Day 1. It's amazing how much snow there is just 2 minutes outside of town. Day 3. The cold is unbearable. For the first time in my life, I actually considered wearing pants. Desperate times.
No.
I'm losing track of time. Might actually be Day 2.
They call me Knuckles for a reason. Because it's my name.
Maybe it would be easier if we used Blue Force 1 in snowmobile mode.
Blue Force 1 has a snowmobile mode, and you only mention it now!
Yeah, need a ride? If you want to enter, try the lacy whip. We don't have time for this. I'll smash our way in.
Thanks, Sonic. My letter to Zoe got ruined. Now I have to start over. Dear Zoe, Day 1. It must be a
are so many possibilities. It would take me centuries to figure out how long it would take me to figure out the right combination.
Oh, centuries, huh?
Now I get it. Only Knuckles did what the riddle actually suggested. Try the lazy way.
Oh, now I get it. Hero is another word for sandwich.
Noble travelers, if you want to reach the Maroki crystal, you must answer 3 riddles and overcome 3 obstacles.
Including the one outside?
Not including the one outside.
Oh, why should we listen to this jabroni? Out of the way, Rocky. Maybe I stepped over the line with that jabroni remark, but we all said things we didn't mean. Noble Stone Guardian, we accept your challenge.
Cool. See ya. Noble travelers, to continue on your journey and move this slab, tell me, how many sides does a circle have?
First, you tell me why you think slab rhymes with have.
He said obstacles? I was kind of hoping for bounce pads, not poisonous gas.
A circle is round. It has no sides.
Well, that clearly didn't work. Anyone else got an idea?
A circle has 2 sides, inside and outside.
That is correct.
Did I solve it?
Noble travelers, I pass before the sun both high and low, and yet I cast no shadow.
That one rhymes, but the meter's terrible. I don't know. A cloud? Oh, those have shadows.
Oh, what about a bird? You know, like a clear one. What?
Pretty soon, we'll be dust in the wind.
Wind! That is the correct answer.
All right, Knuckles! 2 for 2.
Are we saying random numbers now? 1, 1, 1. I don't know many numbers.
Noble travelers, try as you might, no sound it makes. When you speak its name, it's so fragile it breaks.
Good rhyme, good meter. I see why you're the final god. Ain't you guys ever heard of personal space? All right, Knuckles, make with a simple-minded yet somehow profound answer so we can get out of here.
Let me use my think muscle.
Oh, yeah. Immovable, right?
Come on, come on, come on!
Silence! I can't hear my brain thoughts.
Silence is the correct answer.
There she is. Just gotta switch it out with something that weighs the same.
It's gonna collapse! We better get out of here!
There you are. I was beginning to think you disappeared forever. Like the last group I sent.
Nope, we made it. And here is your pierogi crystal.
Ah, hey, TV's back.
Knuckles, you were great up there. You're actually a lot smarter than we give you credit for.
Meow.
Forget I said anything.
Disney Nature invites you to discover the most
Bless you.
amazing family deep in the exotic wilderness of China. You can join Mai Mai and Yaya for an adventure that will live in your heart forever. Celebrate Earth Day with Disney Nature's Born in China. Rated G. You can see Born in China opening week, and Disney Nature will make a donation to World Wildlife Fund to help protect pandas and snow leopards. In theaters April 21st.
What? No, not yet. I'm trying to go off this song.